We're still here at the Amidhara Resort, but we've switched to a room today. We've left our nice little cottage and switched to a room. Plan A was to only be here a couple of days. We were going to just stay here a couple of nights, go to the lion safari today, and then head back to Rajkot. But there was a mix-up with the bookings, and the lion safari wasn't available until 6 a.m. Tuesday. To do that, we would have to leave Rajkot at 3 a.m. to get here in time. So rather than that, we decided we would just get a room for another couple of nights. But there were no cottages weren't available for both of those nights, so we just switched to rooms. This is my little room on the end here. We're right next to the trees where the monkeys are, so hopefully I'm not going to have any monkey attacks in the night. And there's the road down there. And there's this nice little patio for the floor, the whole floor of rooms. No chairs or anything, but it's nice out here. But here is something interesting that I thought you would enjoy. I'm showing you this window up here. So if you can see from the top and the bottom of here, those are honeycombs hanging from there. Isn't that amazing? I'm glad that's not my room. I don't think I would be opening it. But let's go in and take a look at the room itself. So here's my little room. There was like a deluxe room available and a standard room available, so I just took a standard one. And that was my door I'm trying to close, not very quietly. Here's my window. You just saw me show you that from out here. I do have a little chair as soon as the lighting adjusts. I have the same nice big bed. I've got a little desk and closet here. Oh, here's something new. I have a safe in this closet. Oh, it's kind of creaky, isn't it? I was just thinking I don't have any tea here, but I do have the bottles of water, and look, I have glasses this time. I had all the tea settings the last time, but nothing to drink the tea. Nothing to drink the tea in. So I've got this little desk and a mirror. Oh, I've got a full-length mirror here. And here's my bathroom, which I'm happy to say is a little nicer than the last one. As soon as I can figure out the lights, these lights are like English lights and they turn on if you push them down. Okay, that one was a little flickery. That one has a vent. Didn't have a vent before either. And that one's for the razor. And look, it has some nice tiles on the wall and a mirror and a little sink. And it actually has some space beside the sink for me to put my stuff. And the shower has a door. In some ways, I feel like I've come up in the world. Do have the requisite bucket and the commode, of course. Oh, no toilet paper. I'll at least have a toilet paper holder. In the last one there wasn't one. It's not a problem though, because I brought toilet paper with me. So there's this quick room tour. There's not much to see, but here's home for the next couple of nights. When we stopped on our way back from the temple yesterday, we needed to look in a shop. One of the shops we went to was the sweet shop, and we picked up a packet of potato chips or crisps. So looking forward to trying those. Think I'm going to nibble on them now. I am thinking this is the same as sour cream and onion, so that should be really good. Look at these guys sitting outside on the tree outside my window. Wow.